Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Simply Dims HK. So, today's video, gagawa po tayo ng okonomiyaki Japanese pancake recipe. But before that, kung bago lang po kayo sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and press the bell button down below para po ma-notify kayo sa aking mga next and future vlogs po. Tama, parang okonomiyaki Japanese pancake. So, check this out. So guys, ito na po ang ating ingredients. Cabbage, onion. Since wala po akong wala akong spring onion, so yan na lang ang aking gagamitin. At saka meron din akong plain flour. And I have salt and pepper, of course, and dalawang eggs. So, i-combine lang natin lahat yan, same as yung gagawa ka ng pancake. So, yeah. See you later. Update ko po kayo mamaya. Stay tuned. Mix lang natin. So later din po, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make some sauce for dipping. So guys, ito gagawa na po tayo ng special dip para sa ating okonomiyaki pancake. So dalawang ingredients lang po yung ilalagay ko. Very simple. Ito po yung cream cheese na meron na siyang garlic and herbs. So binili ko na to na yung ready dip na siya. So ilalagyan ko na lang siya ng mayonnaise. Usually, ang ginagawa nilang dips is some soy sauce, but you can also choose or decide whatever dip you want to make. So, since meron kaming mayonnaise and cream cheese, so I'm gonna use this. Mix lang po natin siya. Just like that. So, medyo marami yung ating nagawang pancake. So, maybe I'm just gonna make more. Ubusin na lang natin. Ayan. I'm sure this is so yummy. Napaka-simple lang itong gawin, guys. And that's it. Meron na po tayong dips.